Hey guys, I am going to be reviewing photosynthesis with you guys on this video. So photosynthesis, much like cell respiration, we're going to be starting with the equation. And for photosynthesis, the easiest way that I remember the equation is CalOG. That's just the easiest way for me to remember it. Now, what does Cal stand for? CO stands for carbon dioxide. W stands for water. So carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of light, we can't forget light, photosynthesis has to occur with light, is going to give us oxygen and glucose. And the chemical formula for glucose is C6H12O6. You don't have to know the chemical formula. So that is the equation for photosynthesis. Remember, it's the opposite of cell respiration. Now, in photosynthesis, we really only have two reactions, and all you need to know for these are what goes in, what goes out, where does that happen. So the first thing that's going to take place is the light reactions, and these are going to take place in the thylakoids. Okay, what goes in? We have to have light because those are going to excite our electrons, and we have to have water. And the reason why we have to have water is because those are going to provide electrons for us to get excited with light. And then you're also going to have some kind of pigment, such as chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, or carotenoids. So that's what goes in. Well, what comes out? We have oxygen that gets released through the stomata in the leaf. And then we have ATP gets created and NADPH, which is an electron carrier. And both of these are going to go to the Calvin cycle. Okay, so that's the first step, the light reactions. The main purpose of the light reactions is to produce ATP and NADPH, is to produce these two, which go on to the Calvin cycle. The second step is the Calvin cycle. It is going to take place in the stroma, so that's the gel-like substance inside the chloroplast. What goes in? We get carbon dioxide that comes in from the stomata, and then we get ATP and NADPH from the light reactions. Well, what goes out? We mainly only have one thing that's produced, and that is G3P, which is just carbon, H2 oxygen, and this gets changed to the main product, glucose. So that is all of photosynthesis in a nutshell, just what goes in, what comes out, and where does that happen.